Vlogception.
Hi Ashley. Oh, look at you. Guess who wasn't late?
He's like, what is it?
Oh crap! Put you down.
Yeah, the light up one?
I'm sticking to
I feel it's like adultery pretty sun. You can just film it. We just checked in and touched up. Sam's here.
Powdered my house.
Nice jacket, Sam.
He's stylish now. He ripped his pants earlier today. Putting you on blast.
And we're about to go save some seats. My eye is red. I swear. I only had one drink, but my eye is red. We just got here. We're waiting for other people to come. And hello, this is Rachel and Heejin's. It's our segment.
Happy birthday, Jessica. My best
Happy birthday yet, but we love you.
Happy birthday, you're right here, but I want to say happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
We love that. We love that.
Happy birthday, Jess.
Happy birthday, Jessica. Happy birthday, Jessica. Keep your mask on, everyone.
Alright, everybody, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jessica. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish, make a wish. Happy birthday.
I'm the Gemini, and like
Punch in the whale!
That's Fruity Pebble, Ferrero Rocher, lychee, pistachio, and vanilla chai. Ta-da!
You know, if you had like small dogs or Popeye's chicken drumsticks, she's like chicken breast.
The dogs like me. Like Jack likes me.
I don't know about
Jack
that.
likes everyone.
That's true.
Wow! Thank you, Sam. Hey, Ashley. We're on our way to the mall. Are you being serious that we could pick you outfit? Guys, we're trying to pick some outfits for Sam. We just picked up some food. So good. Oh, big cheese pool. We're gonna try some.
Yeah, he's swerving so hard.
Try ketchup. Oh yes, yes.
been a long day. I finished clinicals at like 12:45ish, and then I got home a little past 1, and then I had lunch with my family because I'm supposed to have dinner with Sean and his family tonight because it's his sister's birthday tonight as well. So yeah, we're supposed to go to a hotel restaurant because it has a really nice view on the top floor. So we made reservations for there, and then that's the plan for now. I believe we're going to the mall because I need to get his little sister a gift, and yeah, I'll see you guys inside. Happy birthday. I just bought her a gift, and they're really hungry because they haven't eaten it, but our dinner is in 2 hours, so
Where are you gonna go eat?
I think they're gonna get some food downstairs. You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
뽀뽀. 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 아우!
Box full of chips. They didn't have this at any grocery store. So good. See how much I love it. I had to order it online because I couldn't find it in the store. Jack, what are you doing up here? Hey Casper. Hey Jack. This dog is in the car by him. Oh!
We'll get in trouble if we pet it.
We are trying to get our flu shots. Are you scared? It kind of hurts after. We got the nose one when we were younger. Look how pretty. It's a nice day except for it's a little hot. It's about 80 degrees, so it's kind of hot today, but yeah, it's the end of October. I don't know what's going on, but we're about to go shopping. I got my mattress, so I'm gonna open it because I haven't been able to sleep on my bed. So it just came, it's right here, and then I have that right there is my weighted blanket. I got a bigger one because I originally had a twin size and my legs were hanging out even though I'm short. It just always, my feet would always come under, and then this one is my comforter and bed sheets. So I'm gonna open my mattress. It's not working.
It's our workout.
Dense. Oh, it's hot.
Hey, show me our wrap. This weather. Show me our wrap. Do you know how hard that would be?
Almost 12 now, but I'm on my way to this bakery that used to be nearby, but they moved to the DC area, so it's only 20 minutes away, and I'm gonna go pick up my pre-order and I'll show you guys after. I'm so excited. So yummy. Currently at Bed Bath because my mom wanted to come and return something and buy some stuff. She's always shopping. Just got to the gym. I'm gonna do a workout, but I'm not taking my camera in, so in you go.
Hi. I don't like burritos. I like the bowls. They did not have bowls anymore.
Sean told me you wanted a burrito.
What the? No!
Burrito's good.
No!
Too bad.
Ugh.
I just got to Sean's house and I'm just gonna eat. He's gonna get off work in less than an hour. I'm gonna do some homework or edit for the rest of the night until he comes. We're just gonna chill and then I'm just gonna go home. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. This is what I got yesterday. It's the Peter Thomas Roth value set. This one is the hyaluronic acid moisturizer. This is the water gel eye cream, and then this one is the hyaluronic serum. So I'm gonna give it a try because it was a value set for only 65 bucks, because alone this one is usually like about 55, I believe. The employee recommended this one to me. I'm having a lot of dryness on my face already for the winter time, so I'm gonna try these out and see how I like it. Oh yes, that's
It's like we're doing surgery or something.
wow, look at that perfect square.
Oh, it's a little windy. Ow! Ooh. What? Good job. Sit. Good boy.
Cheers. I just tried to give her a clam. She just rejected it. Fell on the table. Just hold it up. Thank you. Okay. How do we get a picture with everyone in it? We have to ask someone. I look so swollen. They're taking pictures and we're just here.
I like this camera. Is this a filter?
No?
It's nice.
What's going on? Can we take a She's making eggs. I'm making oatmeal. And while I wait for it to boil, I'm gonna eat some pomegranate.